Well, so we are here this evening. Me talking about an actor on stage and off stage. For an actor to be on stage, first begins the off stage space where he prepares himself. Forget preparing himself, where he first in his head decides to be an actor. And that headspace for me was quite clear. My first calling of any profession that I wanted to do was always that of being an actor. But at the same time, I was extremely unsure naturally. So you're still young, you're not sure. It's your hunch, it's your instinct which says that actor is what you want to be, but will that actually work out or not is only time will tell. You are at a very vulnerable position, I think, at that point of time. I decided only towards the last 3 years of my college were the crucial time when my dream and my aspiration and my want and what I call my calling to be an actor, all those were answered during the last 3 years of my college. I'm from Bombay, as most of you all might know, and Bombay is a very active theatre scene, and even intercollegiate theatre activity is very vibrant and very competitive and very professional, and you have theatre directors who are professionally working on plays, coming to the college and training actors and putting up a play. So for me, I was very fortunate that I found Mr. Mahendra Joshi, my mentor, my institution, my guide, my everything, and I consider myself extremely fortunate that I was blessed to get those wonderful 3 years with Mr. Mahendra Joshi, who then passed away just after we graduated. Unfortunately, he had a sudden heart attack and he passed away. He was very young at that point of time, and it was a great loss for me personally, because he was my guru, and I was hoping to have him by my side through my life, where he be able to guide me on very many important and crucial things that would come and decisions that would come my way. Well, that was not meant to be, but the 3 years that I spent with him were absolutely precious and completely irreplaceable, and I think they set the fundaments of me being an actor very firmly and very clearly, so that I could understand all that is required from an actor. Having said that, when you actually go to a professional stage, the ball game changes in the sense that you have to now all the theory and the practical aspects that you learned on an amateur level, you have to now prove it in front of a paying audience who can be very kind and at the same time can be very ruthless. Fairly so, they've come to spend their time, money and their energy, and it better be worth it all. And if you get it right, the love is in abundance. If you don't, they're not very fond of you. So fortunately for me, I got some very important and great plays, in terms of these are scripts that they happen, and I happen to be part of 2 such wonderful plays I believe these kind of plays come once in a decade, and I was fortunate to get two such plays in the 10 years of theatre that I did before getting into films. And I also, of course, did theatre alongside the films that I was doing for the first few films, almost up till Rang De Basanti, and thereafter I couldn't manage both, and I focused only on cinema. So, coming back to an actor off stage and on stage. Off stage preparation, I feel, made me the actor on stage. Not everyone is lucky enough to have a platform like intercollegiate competition. So for those of us who don't have that platform, well, you come on stage, and on an experimental level, the plays that you do, that also works beautifully. I think off stage, your personality, your education, your learnings, your attitude, your way of living your life, all contributes to being the actor that you will eventually be. And thereafter, off stage, all the virtues of patience, of perseverance, of hard work, of being the critic of your work, a very honest critic of your own work, where you don't let yourself live in any illusions, is very, very important. And thereafter, realistic goal settings. As an actor, even if you're good at it, you must know that in which, at least have a general idea of which space you see yourself being in terms of the work that you'll get as an actor, and how long your journey could be. You have to have an assessment. Whether it turns out to be true or not, that is for the future, but you need to have an assessment for the present. Once you've done all of that and you get onto stage and your work is appreciated, and then you're obviously on the right path. If it's not, then you go back to the drawing board, you unlearn the things you have, and then get back onto the stage and give it your best till you actually feel that now you're possibly delivering. And the day you feel you are delivering, you can be rest assured that in the following days you'll get that kind of love. Off stage and on stage, people ask that when you play characters, how much of your personality comes into a character. Well, I feel we are not gods finally. Well, you get blessings from the Lord above when you have that one magical moment here and there during the course of your career. But to change yourself completely is not humanly possible. And your personality will always, I feel that, and possibly that's my incapabilities, I don't know, but your personality will always be in the characters that you play. You will then wear the guise or the facade or the mask of the character that you've been assigned to play, and you will hope that you will get so close to that character that your personality is seen to the minimal. That depends on a lot of factors apart from your effort. It depends on the script, it depends on the role that you've gotten, it depends on the director, it depends on the producer, it depends on your costumes, it depends on a lot of factors. And that is what makes this profession even more exciting. It is a teamwork. People, all experts in their respective fields, from the director, producer, writer, actor, contribute towards making one film, which is their passion, their love, and their aim, through which they want to maybe entertain or maybe say something of value through entertainment, or just say something of value. So if you can bring in your personality, I mean, you will bring in your personality, but if you can minimize it by getting into the character as much as possible, and which personally I feel for me comes from only the script is the Bible for me. The writer, the director, how they have imagined the character is what I follow, and that way I can portray the character and give color to it. And if you can manage to play a character without bringing in your personality or bringing it to the minimum, then you've done a wonderful job. And it's a trial and error process. It is a continuous process. Now this is about the craft and the acting and all of that. Now I'm talking on a personal level. An actor on stage and off stage. On stage, the success that you will get naturally will be carried forward to your off stage life, and it's very important how you keep that balance, where you don't let the personality get disturbed by the image that you've created on stage, and you stay the person, not get adversely influenced by the good wishes and compliments and glory that you've got on stage, and you keep the actor off stage very stable and very focused and feet to the ground, so that you can meet your next assignment with the same amount of zest, forgetting everything that happened in the past, and approach the present with a very with a very positive attitude, and not knowing what the future holds for you, but just in the present put your best foot forward as an actor. And that's your job as an off-stage, on-stage actor, to keep your equilibrium, to keep your mental balance, health, keep yourself in a good state of mind when you're not working, is also extremely important as when you're working. In fact, I feel least stress when I'm working. When I'm not working is the time when I feel stress, and then I have different ways to cope with it. A workout, or just talking to myself, spending some precious moments in the morning with myself, where I can sort out my thoughts and then approach the rest of the day. These are all very important things for an actor. As important it is to wait for the right project, it is also important for you to recognize the opportunity, and that comes from keeping a healthy mind and balance in your personal life. The offstage actor, if he is in a good space of mind, he can make the right choices, which will work for the onstage actor eventually. Hello sir, I'm a struggler in the TV industry. That's wonderful. We've all struggled our ways up. We've all been strugglers. I'm still struggling. Actually, I'll tell you one thing, the struggle never ends, whichever profession you happen to be in, and which is great, which makes life worth living, isn't it? Otherwise it's very boring. Hello Sharman sir, as you are an actor and director, which cap is difficult to work out as per you? Direction. The direction is almost donning the role of a god. Everything, all the decisions you make will eventually make the play that you set out to do. And an actor is a very important tool for a director, an extremely important tool. But the director's vision and his selection of the script, to the actor, to the music, to the art direction, to the nuances that he creates in the actor's performance, is very, very, very important. So director for sure. How difficult to do preparation for an actor? It depends on the director really. कितनी preparation करवाते हैं, लेकिन जितनी preparation आप करो before getting onto the stage, that's good for you only. So give your heart and soul during the preparation time. Pratik Chaturvedi says, "Hello sir, I loved your work in Rang De Basanti. Can you share some things from the time you were shooting for it?" Yeah, Pratik, Rang De Basanti was a wonderful experience. It's a film, a cult film. It's gone down in history in as one of the most celebrated films of the times, and I'm extremely thankful to God and very grateful that I had the opportunity to be a part of such a wonderful film. We as a group got along extremely well, and it was a 120-day shoot, and we spent a lot of time with each other effectively. And fortunately for us, organically we all liked each other, and I think that reflects on the screen. There are very many moments in Rang De Basanti, रश्मिन जोशी से, सर आपके हिसाब से कैसी फिल्म बनानी चाहिए, और आज जो नई फिल्म बन रही है क्या आपको पसंद आती है? आजकल जो फिल्म बन रही है मुझे बहुत पसंद आ रही है, बहुत अच्छी फिल्म बन रही है, अच्छी फिल्में बन रही है। कैसी फिल्म बनानी चाहिए? मुझे लगता है कि हर किस्म की फिल्म मुझे बड़ा इंटरेस्ट है, मुझे बड़ी रुचि है हर किस्म की फिल्म में एज अ व्यूअर। तो ज़ाहिर है एज एन एक्टर ऑल्सो आई वुड लाइक टू हर किस्म की फ़िल्म का हिस्सा बनना चाहूँगा। फ़िल्म अच्छी होनी चाहिए, कुछ अच्छी सी बात कह जाए हम लोग, जिससे हम सभी का फ़ायदा हो, तो वो एंटरटेनमेंट के साथ साथ तो वो भी बहुत अच्छी बात होगी। बट बाकी किस्म की फ़िल्म, किस किस्म की फ़िल्म होनी चाहिए? हर किस्म की फ़िल्म होनी चाहिए। शेयर एक्सपीरियंस ऑन योर मल्टी कैरेक्टर प्ले राजू राजा राम और मैं। पता नहीं कि आप लोगों में से कितने लोगों ने ये प्ले देखा है, राजू राजा राम और मैं, और गुजराती में मैंने किया है इस प्ले को, जिसका नाम है हमें ले गया तमें रह गया। मेरे लिए मैंने कहा था कि बहुत 2 इम्पॉर्टेंट प्लेस मुझे मिले थे मेरे करियर में, स्टेज के करियर में शुरुआती के समय में। तो पहला प्ले था ऑल द बेस्ट, और दूसरा था हमें ले गया तमें रह गया। मैंने गुजराती थिएटर किया है, 10 साल के लिए गुजराती थिएटर ही मैंने वहाँ से शुरुआत की, और फिर मुझे सिनेमा में ब्रेक मिला। ये हाल ही की बात है, पिछले 4 साल 5 साल से मैं हिंदी थिएटर मैंने करना शुरू किया। तो राजू राजा राम करते वक्त बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया। बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है वो प्ले में, बहुत भागम दौड़ी है, और साथ साथ जिन्होंने देखा उनको मैं कहूँ कि कई बार मैंने एंट्री गलत समय पे की है, और फिर इम्प्रोवाइज़ करके कैसे हमने वो पूरी सिचुएशन को संभाला है, वही मज़ा है एक्चुअली लाइव थिएटर का, लाइव स्टेज का। प्रबल सिंह चौहान, वाई डोंट यू डू मोर कॉमिक फिल्म? आई एम डूइंग, देयर इज़ वन फिल्म कॉल्ड आँख मिचोली, उमेश शुक्ला साहब डायरेक्टर है, सोनी पिक्चर्स, उमेश शुक्ला इस पिक्चर को प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं। तो जैसे ही थिएटर्स खुलेंगे और होपफुली लोग थिएटर में वापस आना शुरू करेंगे, हम लोग ये फिल्म रिलीज़ कर पाएंगे। हु इज़ योर फेवरेट डायरेक्टर इन थिएटर एज वेल एज फिल्म? इन थिएटर आई वर्क विद विपुल मेहता, केदार शिंदे, राजू जोशी, all these guys are people whom I've really enjoyed working with, and yeah, I hope to do more work with them. Is there any difference between the audience in India and out of India as you performed in both parts? Yeah, there is a difference. Forget India, out of India. अगर आप बॉम्बे में हो और आप चर्च गेट में परफॉर्म करते हो, और फिर आप आकर के जूहू में परफॉर्म करेंगे, और फिर जाकर के बोरीवली में परफॉर्म करेंगे, तो वहाँ पे भी डिफरेंस आप महसूस करेंगे। तो आई थिंक मेरा एक जनरल ऑब्जर्वेशन रहा है कि जहाँ ज़्यादा भाग दौड़ नहीं रहती है ज़िंदगी की, जहाँ लोग थोड़ा आराम से रह रहे हैं, तो वहाँ पे लोग और खुल के हंसते हैं और खुल के एंजॉय करते हैं किसी भी प्ले को, किसी भी जॉनर के प्ले को, और ख़ास करके कॉमेडी को। तो जी, अदिति पंचोली कह रही है, व्हाट हैज़ लॉकडाउन टॉट यू, एनी हॉबीज़ दैट यू पिक्ड अप ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम? अदिति, well, lockdown has taught me that life is precious. We have to enjoy the present. We all are aware of it, but to actually you need reminders all the time, and lockdown is, I think, giving me a reminder again to enjoy the present, and not worry about the future and forget about the past, because that's the past. And hobbies that I picked up is I've been reading, which I always had a complaint with myself that I didn't do enough reading. So yes, share your insights as an actor when you start developing your character. Well, मैंने जैसे कहा पहले कि मैं स्क्रिप्ट को पढ़ता हूँ, एक बार पढ़ता हूँ और फिर उसको उस बेसिस पे मैं पिक्चर करता हूँ या नहीं करता हूँ। और फिर जब पिक्चर की तैयारी शुरू हो गई है और तकरीबन एक आध महीना बाकी होगा शूटिंग शुरू होने की, तो मैं फिर एक बार दोबारा स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ता हूँ और फिर छोड़ देता हूँ। और फिर जब शूटिंग शुरू होती है तो जिस दिन जो सीन है वो एक रात पहले मैं उसकी तैयारी करता हूँ और फिर सेट पे पहुँचता हूँ। ये एक बेसिक प्रोसेस है, फिज़िकल प्रोसेस बता रहा हूँ। और द आइडिया बीइंग कि पहली बार पढ़ा और दूसरी बार पढ़ा, तो उसमें मैंने सब अपने थॉट्स अपने कलेक्ट किए हैं और उसमें कभी ना कभी सोचते रहता हूँ। और फिर इवेंचुअली उसको जस्ट बिफोर द शूट आई लर्न द लाइंस एंड परफॉर्म, सो दैट उसकी क्या एक ऑर्गेनिक वैल्यू और एक इंस्टिंक्टिव वैल्यू और एक फ्रेशनेस बरकरार रहे। तो ज़्यादा ओवर प्रिपेयर भी ना करूँ और अंडर प्रिपेयर भी ना करूँ, कोशिश करता हूँ कि आई प्रिपेयर जस्ट राइट। गौरी शंकर जी, डिफरेंस बिटवीन फिल्म एंड थिएटर एक्टिंग। Personally, I don't feel there is any difference. If you because I feel कि आप अभी मॉडर्न थिएटर में आपको जो साउंड और माइक और सिस्टम मिलती है उससे आप इवन विस्पर करोगे तो फिर भी आपकी आवाज़ लास्ट रो तक पहुंच सकती है। तो अब वो टाइम गया जब आपको ज़्यादा प्रोजेक्शन करना पड़ता था आवाज़ में ताकि आपकी आवाज़ पहुंच पाए सब तक। और चूँकि आप इतना प्रोजेक्ट नहीं करते हो, आपके फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस भी बदल जाते हैं। जब आप विस्पर करते हो तो आप इस तरीके से बात करते हो तो आपका फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन भी ऐसा रहेगा। लेकिन अगर आप स्टेज में विस्पर कर रहे हो तो आपके फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन अपने आप थोड़े और बढ़ जाते हैं। तो अभी के मॉडर्न थिएटर का फ़ायदा अभी मतलब काफ़ी टाइम से मॉडर्न थिएटर हैज़ गुड साउंड सिस्टम्स। आई थिंक दैट वाज द मेजर चैलेंज। और उस वजह से sometimes the actors on stage people criticize saying they over project, but that time has ceased to be. So effectively transition from stage to film is not that difficult. You just be true to the character, be true to the instincts, and play it out. What do you think about digital theater? It's let's say each to his own, but digital theater is not my space. But having said that, I just saw Hamilton last evening and I had a great time watching it. But yet I don't think digital theater is something I want to do, because that deprives me of the joy of being in front of a live audience as an actor, and as an actor I want to retain that. So yeah, no digital theater for me. आप लोग सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आप सभी का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। It was wonderful talking to you all, and चाय वाई और रंगमंच कोकोनट थिएटर द्वारा प्रस्तुत किया गया ये टॉक जिसके दौरान मैं आपके साथ आज बात कर रहा हूँ। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ऐसे बहुत सारे मौके मिले आगे जाकर के भी और आपके साथ कुछ बातें करें, कुछ चर्चा करें। बाय बाय, नमस्ते।